Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to be working on the Del Sol. We'll be installing lower control arms and the subframe brace. Ready, go. Alright, so I got this side installed. Get back on that side. It's pretty simple to do it. You have a 14mm bolt here, and that's from your control arm to your trailing arm. Then you have another 14mm bolt here, and that's for your strut. You have another 14mm here, and that goes onto your subframe to hold the control arm to the subframe. And then I'll put these two here. There's threads behind there, so this is where, if you was to have a rear sway bar, that's where that will go. It'll bolt up here, and then these are the adjustment brackets for the arms for the sway bar. Other than that, it's pretty easy. So we'll go ahead and get this side finished up. I'll show you guys how it looks after I'm done. go through and double check everything, make sure that they're all tight. Alright, so everything's all tightened up, and this is what it looks like. Alright, so I just buttoned up the Del Sol. Everything's tight. The lower control arm and the subframe is installed. It didn't take very long to do. Very simple. You guys should definitely do it at home with some basic tools. I hope this video helped. I also like to take the time real quick to thank everybody that watches my videos, that shares them. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and just try to support